Let's prepare masala dosa. Potatoes, coriander, onion, curry leaves, chilies, chana dal and ginger, grated ginger. Mash the boiled potatoes. Mash it well. Add some hot water. Mash it. Add little oil. Mustard seeds. Jeera. Urad dal, chana dal. Chopped onions. Curry leaves. Green chilies. Ginger. Add turmeric. Add salt. Should not fry onions more. It should be crunchy. Add potatoes and mix it well. Add some coriander. Mix it well. Aloo palya is ready. For chutney, add coconut, roasted chana, add onion, chilies, garlic and bit of tamarind. Add salt, grind it well. Add some tadka to chutney. Urad dal and chilies, curry leaves, little bit of mustard, hing. Add to chutney. Add chutney powder. Once dosa is crispy, you can add palya. Your masala dosa is ready. Serve it with chutney.